In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix email deliverability in just 5 minutes using Klaviyo. Improving your email deliverability is crucial to ensuring that your messages reach your subscribers' inboxes, rather than getting lost in the dreaded spam folder. So let's dive in and sort it all out together. First, you need to log into your Klaviyo account. If you haven't already set this up, simply visit the Klaviyo website and use your credentials to gain access. Once you're logged in, the next step is to authenticate your domain. This process is vital because it helps establish trust with email providers like Gmail or Yahoo, signaling that your emails are legitimate and not coming from malicious sources. Now let's move on to navigating your profile. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. From there, you'll want to head over to the settings section. Within settings, scroll down until you find the option for domains. Here, it's essential to set up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. These protocols are technical specifications that help prevent email spoofing. Depending on your domain provider, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, you'll find specific instructions on how to implement these records. This step is all about building your domain's reputation as a trustworthy sender, substantially reducing the risk of your emails being mistaken for spam. Next, it's time to clean your list. Navigate to Audience, then Lists and Segments. A clean list improves deliverability by ensuring you're only sending emails to active and engaged subscribers who are more likely to open your messages. Create a segment for those engaged subscribers who have opened or clicked emails within the past 90 days. This ensures that your mailing list remains active and engaged, reflecting positively on your open rates. For those subscribers who haven't interacted with your emails for a while, consider suppressing or removing them. Doing so prevents dragging down your engagement metrics and enhances the overall reputation of your sending domain. Once you've cleaned your list, continue to monitor and adjust your strategies as needed. Head over to the Analytics section in Klaviyo and select Deliverability. This feature provides valuable insights, including deliverability scores, detailed reports, and bounce details. Regularly checking these metrics will help you identify any potential issues before they affect your email performance significantly. Remember, deliverability is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Implementing these steps should notably enhance your email deliverability in a short amount of time. Remember, it's about consistency, monitoring, and adjustments. With these tactics in your toolbox, you'll be well on your way to ensuring that your emails reliably reach your audience's inbox. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck with your email campaigns.